Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. As you may know, the aim of this channel is to highlight the best of Jamaica, whether it's Jamaican food, attractions, or just overall culture. So if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you will know when we upload another video. So today we're in the parish of Hanover and we're going to make 6 stops. Our first stop takes us to this waterfalls called Falls. Given. Not too big, but still very refreshing. Let's go and have a closer look. Now let's have a look at another attraction here in Hanover. This is the Watson Taylor Park and Beach, located in the town of Lucea. It is just 1.2 kilometers from the town square. This beach is located in a bay and is comprised of light brown, fine-grained sand extending approximately 73 meters in length. Straight ahead is one of 2 cliffs that are present here at this beach. There are several trees and properties such as the West Indian almond and seaside maho. Seagrass beds are also located in sections of the swim area. Here at the Watson Taylor Park are also some old reef formations. On our left is the Lucea Town Hall. It was constructed in 1840 and originally served as the town's courthouse. Now allow me to tell you about the Waterfront Jerk Center and Rest Stop here in Hanover. It is located in Mosquito Cove, Lucea. It's a Jamaican restaurant that serves Jamaican food such as jerk chicken, oxtail, escovitch, fish, festival, and so on. But my favorite point of interest with this restaurant is the ambiance and the view. You will see what I mean. Let's enjoy these beautiful trees that form a canopy above the road, similar to what can be found in St. Elizabeth at Holland Bamboo. So viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. We're coming to the end of another video. Today we did a brief tour of Hanover. We looked at a waterfall called Falls, and we stopped at Watson Taylor Park and Beach. We also drove through Lucea Town Square and talked about it a little. And we moved on to Hopewell. But before that, we made a stop at the Waterfront Jerk Center. And now we're here at Sandy Bay. Again, thank you so much for sticking with me, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Click the notification bell so you'll know when we upload another great video from Jamaica. Leave us a like and let us know what you liked about this video in the comment section. Thank you.